before you because of a very, very, what we call a concerning matter. The province of Cebu, which you all know, operates the two bus terminal, the Cebu South Bus Terminal and the North Bus Terminal. The Cebu South Bus Terminal has been operated by the province of Cebu since the early 1990s. The North Bus Terminal, after it was operated by the city of Mandaue, then turned over to a cooperative. Then when the two already decided not to push through, the province of Cebu then took over the operations, sometimes in the year 2021. At any rate, on May 3, 2024, the two terminals, through the person in charge, received a show cause order from the office of the mayor of the city of Cebu, telling us that their deputized inspector have found and noted this violation. Okay, the violation is operating a business without registration with the city of Cebu, and then open parenthesis, section 4 of ordinance number LXIX as amended. On the second paragraph, which is disturbing now, is the threat. In this regard, you are hereby ordered to show cause in writing, with a copy furnished to the officer in charge of the Business Permit and Licensing Office, Andrew B. Bores, without 72 hours from receipt, as to why the said business establishment should not be ordered closed, and or sanctioned for violating the above-mentioned law. The notice is identical for the two terminals. Why is it disturbing? Because recent events would show that this is the pattern wherein the Cebu Port Authority's operations was disturbed after a show cause order, and then their breach of port security by entering the port premises. So sa ako pa, amo lang gikulbaan nga bisag kani mo ilang himuong rason nga ipasira nila ang duha ka terminal. So, among ipasabot daan sa inyo, na kung naamang gani mahitabo, mauna ni. Pero wa mi magsulti nga nahadlok mi ani. Gay, ipakita namo karon nga kaning show cause order, kaning nga papel, wa gyoy bili. It has no legal basis to stand on. First, the bus terminals are not businesses. These are public services nga ang province mo'y hatag para sa publiko. Sa mga batanon, sama sa ako mga tupad nga wa nakahibalo, this bus terminal, especially the Cebu South Bus Terminal, was a creation of the Metro Cebu Development Project, a collaborative national government and city government and LGU project in the early 1990s. MCDP 2 na itong North Gov. But it's still under the MCDP projects. Unsay purpose sa MCDP project? Attorney, unsay purpose?